Hello everybody, today I want to present you a new house between Panarachel and Santa Catarina on Sunset Road. It's ideally located with lake access, so follow me.
Hello, I'm Armand Boissy, your real estate agent in Lake Atitlan, Guatemala. We are buying real estate by your lifestyle. So follow me, click on the channel, click on the bell to be notified and leave a comment.
And here we are. This beautiful house is right in the middle of the hillside. You can appreciate the view from the drone, and it has a fantastic view toward San Pedro, Toliman, Cerro de Oro, and the sunset, the beautiful sunset of Lake Atitlan. So here we are entering through the parking. You come into this beautiful entrance. You can park 2 cars, and you come right away into the big porch, covered porch. So don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, share it, and put a comment. So there's a big porch where you can have a dinner, have a hammock, and it has a fantastic view as well on the lake. On one side you have this little corner with this fireplace, and you get into the house through 2 big French doors, the living room with a fireplace as well, and you have a peek to the kitchen with a counter. The lower part has a bathroom, full bathroom, and a bedroom as well. So that's on the first level of the house. Now through this beautiful staircase, central, we go up, and the staircase have 2 staircases going, one on the left, one on the right, and they all go to 2 bedrooms on the second floor. 2 bedrooms each with fireplace, and they share a bathroom with double sink. Both of them are fireplace, and they open directly in a big huge terrace where you can enjoy and see the lake and the sunset. Fantastic terrace. You can do yoga, you can do lots of things. That's a view from the sky again of the terrace and the big roof. Now that's the view towards San Pedro, and from the front of the house there is below the house a little 20 square meter apartment with a bathroom just below, and a separate entrance where you can get in and you can live there, or it's extra for the guest. Also there is behind the house a laundry room, and that's a view from the guardian house, which is behind the house. So the guardian have also a fantastic view. From the front of the house now we go down to the lake on the very well paved by bricks smooth path with some steps and some resting spots. But it's a very nice walk all the way down to the lake with plenty of trees and palm. And at the lakeshore level, you have a kind of social area with a lounging chair, and you have also another fireplace where you can cook food. And you have 2 kind of gazebo outside with you can stand and enjoy the sunset, and it's directly waterfront, and it's also very private. So also it's a very clean water, and you can have a boat as well. So this is the beauty of this property. Remember, it's title, and it's located very close to Panarachel. Fantastic views. It's a great Airbnb. It's 3 bedrooms. It's everything you need. You can reach high. You can live in a little apartment or whatever. It's a good combination. And so send me a private message. And thank you for everybody watching the videos and encouraging me to keep doing this. Have a great day.
So see you for the next video. Remember to click, like it, share it, and put a comment. See you soon.